Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to install the YouTube application. I'm going to actually take you guys through two different methods because I noticed that some people complain that the first method worked for them and the second method was the solution for those of you that find it difficult for the first method to actually work for you. So the first thing you need to do is to just go over to, like, if you're using MacBook and you have been using like Google Chrome or the Brave browser, don't worry. For this tutorial, just go ahead and just open up your Safari. So once you open up your Safari, go ahead and just search for YouTube, and it's going to take you over to youtube.com. So right now we're inside the YouTube app on the website. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on this place that says File. Click on it. You will see where it says Add to Dock. Most people complain that they don't actually get to see this option of adding to dock. Another way you can do it is click on here that says the share icon. Click on the share icon, and from here it's going to actually show you the same option, adding it to your dock. These two options I showed you is the first method to actually do this. So either ways, all you need to do is just to click on add to dock. So once you add it to dock, it's actually going to give you the option to rename this. It's actually going to show you that an icon will be added to your dock and launchpad, so you can quickly access this website. So all you need to do is just to click on add. So once you add it, now you can see we have YouTube back there. So even if we go ahead and close our Safari and just go ahead and just click on launchpad, and then you can see we have YouTube here right now, and we have the YouTube on the dock. So all you need to do right now is just to click on either of these. So let's go ahead and just click on this. So it's going to open it up in your default browser. Let's say, for instance, you have your Brave browser as your default browser. It's going to open up YouTube on your Brave browser. So this is basically how you can be able to do this and simply enjoy the YouTube application without even having to open up any of this browser like Safari. You can see even if we totally shut down or quit the Safari, you can see that the YouTube app is still going to be functioning. You can see, I'm going to click it one more time. You can see the YouTube here, just open it up perfectly for us. So I'm going to show you guys the second way to actually do this. So the second method to do this is still go ahead and open up your Safari, hold your control and space, and then you just have to search Safari. So you can see Safari here. Open it up. The same way, go to YouTube, click on it, go back to YouTube. And from here right now, all you need to do is to, let me readjust this. All you need to do is just to drag from here that says youtube.com, just drag it, and you can see, drag it to our desktop. So once you drag it to our desktop, let's go ahead right now and minimize this. You can see we have this extension just right here. But the problem with this is that we can actually go ahead and add this to, we cannot yet add this to our dock. So the thing we can do here is to actually just change the icon and do a little bit manipulation on this. So first thing you need to do is to go back to your Safari and open up a new tab, search I think macOS icon. Okay, yeah, you can see macOS icon. So it's going to actually bring us to the website where we can actually get to like pick different varieties of icons. I'm going to actually go ahead and search for YouTube. So you can see that they are actually giving us different options of the YouTube logos that we can actually use. You can see this one looks pretty cool. You can see this one has just looking simple and fresh. I'm just going to go ahead and just pick this one here. So if I click on this one, it's going to actually tell us to download it. I'm going to go ahead and download it. Okay, I'm going to allow it to download, and now it has actually downloaded. So let's just keep this on the side and go back to our home screen. You can see we have and just put this on the side. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to right click on this, and I'm actually going to go over to where it says get info. So from get info, you can see that the icon here is just going to be pretty this one, and I can actually go ahead and just like drag can go ahead and just right click, copy the image, and then I can just go ahead from here. Okay, wait, let me just go ahead and open up the location from, okay, so from our finder, you can see this is the location where I have this image. All I will need to do right now is just to drag this, and then you can see over here where, okay, wait, over here where you can see the icon to this YouTube. I'm going to modify it by dragging this and just dropping it there. So once I do that, it's going to actually replace that icon for us. And pretty much that's going to be pretty much everything. I can go ahead right now and just close this up. And if I actually close this up also, you can see that the icon on the YouTube application here has been automatically replaced. I can just go ahead and just right click on it right now, and you can see that once I click on open, you can see I'm going to open on YouTube on the default. You can open it with Safari. And even if I don't have my Safari, let me go ahead and just quit Safari. And let me also go ahead and uninstall. Okay, let me go ahead and go to Finder and Applications. Let me go ahead and uninstall the previous one that we added initially, which was the okay, the YouTube. This one from, okay, this one. And I'm gonna go show. I'm gonna go to Options. I'm gonna quit. And then I'm going to go to Options, and I'm going to go to Show in Finder, and I can go ahead right now and just move this to Trash. Okay, you can see now that has actually been moved to Trash. Okay, so right now you can see that this is the one we actually did using the second method, and you can see that it's actually going to actually do the same function. Just double click on it, and it's going to actually open up YouTube for us without even having the Safari open up right there. You can see once I actually click on this one, it's going to actually open up. Okay, so guys, this is basically how to do this. I'm going to actually show you guys the difference between this method of dragging and dropping and just adding to dock. I would prefer the adding to dock because the adding to dock is just going to be a very clean installation, and it doesn't have, you can actually do this for different website like Spotify and Instagram and Twitter, like basically any application that is not, you cannot actually find on your app store. You can actually just use this method and it's going to work out for you. So the difference is just that if you're going to be using this drag and drop method, it's not going to actually open up Safari from the scratch. But if you're actually going to be using this method of dragging and dropping it to your desktop, we can see right here that if I open up the YouTube is going to actually open up Safari, which is going to be my default browser. And if you try to drag and drop it to the dock, okay, if you try dragging it to the dock, it's actually not going to be adding to the dock, only if it's going to be dragging and dropping to the place that says that's the minimizing section. You can see you can just add this to the minimizing section. You can't actually drag it and drop it on this system, this part that is going to be based on, if you understand what I mean. Okay, whichever method you choose, it doesn't matter. It's just gonna be working fine for you. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find it helpful, you can go ahead and give this video a like, and you can just go ahead and also consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so I'm going to actually stop this video here. See you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.